Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can see, I'm in my room. Basically, I wasn't going to plan on making two parts to this vlog. However, my laptop just cannot handle multiple little clips at once. It just doesn't want to do it, so I had to do two parts. The first part, if you want to go and check it out, I'll link it below and put it up somewhere, is basically just our travel day and the first 3 days of our holiday, and we just explored most of the island that way as well. So like your classics like Skala, Miscellany Lake, Argostoli caves, I can't remember a lot of them now, and this is just to give context to that, so please do like and subscribe. I will be traveling more in summer, which I'm so excited about, but this vlog as well is mostly about Skala itself, so what we did in Skala, the nightlife in Skala, and then also, spoiler alert, but it's also in the title, a cheeky little extra day that we got because our flight was delayed by almost 24 hours. I'll pop back in to give more context for that, but we did manage to get an extra day at Argostoli, which is the capital of Kefalonia, and we got to see some little, well, not really little at all, but some turtles, which was really cool. So we got to do everything we wanted on the island. There's a silver lining for you. I will be popping back throughout this video to give more context for things, because watching it back, I'm like, a lot of things are missing here. There's a lot of information missing, but for now I'm going to leave you on Wednesday night, which is the day after our excursion, and it's the start of our first real night out in Skala, if you can call it that. Lauren's getting on the quad bike. Good luck!
Yeah. It's the safest in the world.
Okay. Ladies. Oh god. We went on a quad bike and we're following rep. We don't know where we're going. I'm just gonna wait out here. They're trying to find a quiz. Don't know where it is. Lauren is being dragged away. Lauren, wait! What is going on?
Where is this?
I ain't got no free ride.
The blue light? To the road? The bar. Okay, perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Question 12. Who played character John Wick in the John Wick series? That's Keanu Reeves. Keanu Reeves.
Yamas!
Yamas! Hey baby! Come here! Hey, these are the cutest. Hello baby!
Good morning, everyone. So we kind of went out last night with the reps. Yeah. We went out with both of the reps. Lined her up. Now we're going to the beach, having a chill day.
Εγώ δεν έχω καμία αντίρρηση. Πλήρωσε την προμήθειά σου, θα σου πουλήσω ό,τι θέλει και το κεφάλι μου σου πουλάω του λέω.
Hello everybody, it's our second to last night, we're all dressed up. Go and see the TikToks, they're probably really bad. But we're going out tonight, we're going to the town. It's 6:30, so we're going quite early, like for tea. Normally we go at like 8:30. We're going to try and get the rep to come with us as well. Hopefully she will, she's lovely.
The guy, maybe.
Yeah, either rep will do, to be fair. But yeah, we're just going to go to dinner now, burnt my scalp, lovely. Anything to say, Lauren?
Hi.
Great, thanks. See you, I don't know, whenever. It's raining.
On the night out, it's fucking raining.
Babes.
Hello, what do you want?
My cocktail matches my dress, kind of. It's quite strong. Greek people, they don't have measures, they don't use measures, they just pour.
Hi vlog, it's Lauren. I'm just here to give you the real tea. We're currently in a bar called Vito's Bar. There's happy hour at the minute, so it's cocktails. Any cocktail €6, which is like £4.50 in the UK.
Greek measures.
Yeah, and it's Greek measures, so it tastes like you're drinking paint stripper. And we're just waiting for our reps, so both our reps are really nice and cool, but they're going to come and meet us and have a bit of a night out in Kefalonia, which is an absolute busting place. It's where you go for the livest night out. Let me just show you. It's happening. See what I mean, guys? Like, it's absolutely busting. Yeah, we are going to make the night. And if we all know, the last time... Are you okay? Fine. The last time we were out in Skala, which is where we are now, that's the night Rebecca found me throwing up in the Greek toilet. So is that going to happen again tonight? Or am I going to find her throwing up in the Greek toilet? Okay, XOXO Gossip Girl.
Yamas!
Thank you.
Oh, it's not my phone again.
I can't hang out to dance. We just got some, I think they're bracelets, but we're going to wear them on our ankles, and a postcard from this lovely little shop. So we're just at the beach currently, our last day. Rebecca is reading. What book are you reading, Rebecca?
One Night on the Island.
It's called One Night on the Island. She says it's crap. I'm reading A Stranger in the House. I'm only 109 pages through, but it's really good. So yeah, I love it. It's our final night. Oh, it's very yellow. Hello. Hello. Hope it looked tanned, and just gonna watch Little Mix as well.
Yeah, we're gonna. This is a heartbreak anthem. I've got loads of energy tonight.
She's like a child.
Rebecca's done with shit, so.
Anyway, summer. Yeah, we'll show you maybe. Don't know. It's not really much to film, to be honest. We're just going for the lunch tea. Hey, Catty. There's another one coming.
Hello. Oh my god, it's so small.
There's one. So we're watching the last Little Mix show in the hotel because we got a. It's the last day. We're by the pool, so we don't leave till 5. And it's so hot. The last Fanta lemon. So there's the airport, guys, the runway. So we're not too far away. So this is the size of the airport. That's the whole airport. This is the size of the airport. That's it. Okay, so we went to the airport and our flight got delayed. It was already delayed by 3 hours. It was midnight by this point. It was still getting delayed. We ended up going to a hotel at 3 a.m. This is what the next clips are, because that like time lapse of, I think it's a Jet 2 plane or a TUI one. Just that time lapse of plane was going to be the last video, like the last clip in this video, but it's not. So that's why. This is our room. It's lovely. We've got 3 beds. Oh yeah. So I wasn't planning on vlogging. However, we've got a lovely extra night stay here. After a bit of a faff, but there we go. And it's a lovely room, but we're just chilling. I'll do like a full like story of when we're back. See?
So I mean, not big.
Thank you so much for watching that video. More coming soon. But yeah, bye.